Iguanas in paradise. A mystery in Fiji. Fiji is a beautiful island nation, known for its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture. It is located in the heart of the Pacific Ocean, surrounded by miles of crystal-clear waters. The islands are famous for their lush rainforests, teeming with diverse flora and fauna. They have amazing coral reefs too, which attract snorkelers and divers from all over the world. Fiji is home to many unique animals, each adapted to the island's specific environment. One of these fascinating animals is the iguana. Iguanas are large lizards known for their distinctive appearance. They are famous for their spiky crests and dewlaps, which make them easily recognizable. But here is the mystery that has puzzled scientists for years. Most iguanas live in the Americas, far from the islands of Fiji. So how did they end up in Fiji? This question has intrigued researchers for a long time. Thousands of miles of ocean separate these places, making the journey seem impossible. The presence of iguanas in Fiji puzzled scientists for a long time, leading to various theories and studies. They knew these reptiles must have come from somewhere else, but the exact route remained a mystery. The vast Pacific Ocean seemed like an impossible barrier to cross, yet the iguanas made it somehow. The journey held the key to understanding this evolutionary mystery, shedding light on the resilience and adaptability of these remarkable creatures. From deserts to islands, unraveling the connection. Scientists had different ideas about the iguana's journey. Some thought humans might have brought them to Fiji. However, there was no evidence of this. Others considered if iguanas traveled across land bridges long ago, but the geology of the Pacific didn't support this. Genetic studies provided the answer. Scientists studied the DNA of Fijian iguanas. They compared it to the DNA of other iguanas. The closest match? Iguanas from the deserts of North America. This discovery pointed to an incredible journey across the Pacific Ocean. Riding the currents, an epic raft journey. Imagine the vast open ocean with its powerful currents and endless waves. Scientists believe that iguanas hitched a ride on natural rafts, floating across the sea on vegetation and debris. Trees and other vegetation sometimes fall into rivers, creating natural rafts. These can be washed out to sea during storms, carried by the force of the water. This floating debris creates a raft, a temporary island in the vast ocean. It can carry animals and plants long distances across entire oceans. Millions of years ago, a group of iguanas might have accidentally climbed onto one of these rafts, embarking on an unexpected journey. They may have been seeking shelter or food, unaware of the adventure ahead. Then the ocean currents carried them west across the Pacific, driven by the relentless movement of the water. This journey would have taken many months, a test of endurance and survival. It was a perilous voyage across thousands of miles of open ocean, fraught with danger and uncertainty. Ancient mariners' iguanas built for the sea. Iguanas are surprisingly well suited for long ocean voyages. They have strong claws for clinging to vegetation. They can survive for long periods without food or fresh water. Iguanas also have special glands that remove excess salt from their bodies. This adaptation is crucial for survival at sea. Their hardy nature made them ideal candidates for this accidental transoceanic voyage. While many other animals may have perished, the iguana's ability to withstand the harsh conditions allowed them to survive. This voyage tested the limits of their endurance. Rare travelers, the odds of oceanic voyages. The journey of the iguanas is a remarkable example of what scientists call rafting dispersal. This phenomenon occurs when animals or plants travel across oceans on natural rafts, such as logs or vegetation mats. It is how many plants and animals spread to new lands, often leading to the colonization of new habitats and the evolution of new species. However, such journeys are incredibly rare and fraught with peril. Most animals that drift out to sea do not survive the harsh conditions they encounter. They succumb to starvation, dehydration, or predators that lie in wait. The fact that iguanas made it all the way to Fiji is astonishing and highlights their incredible resilience. It shows the power of chance events in evolution. where even the most unlikely scenarios can lead to significant outcomes. Over millions of years, even the most improbable journeys can occur, shaping the biodiversity we see today. These events can have a profound impact on the distribution of life on our planet, influencing ecosystems and the course of evolution. Subscribe now. The iguana's epic voyage reminds us of the incredible resilience of life and the surprises that the natural world holds, constantly challenging our understanding of what is possible.